Hello students, welcome to my online class. Myself Firoz Sheikh, and today we will start new chapter called data handling. So what is data? Data is exactly, you can say, information in the form of numerics like that. And in this chapter we will deal with three types of information. Means regarding first we will use the pictograph, then we will use the bar graph, and then we will use the that one pie chart. So let's start with the exercise itself, 13.1. Let's see, this first part is based on the pictograph. By counting the pictures we can say how many informations are given in this table. Okay, look at here. The following pictograph represents the favorite sports of the students of class 4. This is the table is given here. The pictures are given for every consecutive. You can see the sports are here: cricket, swimming, table tennis, football, skating. And here the number of students who likes the sports here. For each picture it is 150 children. So in cricket there are 1 2 3 4 5. In swimming there are 1 2 3 4. In table tennis there are 1 2 3. So by counting the values of each picture we can find out how many students are like the different types of crickets. Let's start giving the answer of this one. Which sport is the favorite of most students? Now here we simply, by looking at the table, we can see that here the maximum number of students are here in football: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the sport is the favorite for most students is what? Football. So I will write here, for 1 it will be football. Okay, now for question number 2, which is the least favorite sports? By looking this table we clearly say that table tennis, only 3 smileys are here, so we can say that table tennis is the least favorite sport. So here I don't have any space here, so just you will write the table tennis. Okay, now come to question number 3. Let me write here, sir. For 2, answer for 2, it is table tennis. Now for question number 3, what is the total number of students who like skating and swimming? For swimming you see 1 2 3 4. 4 smileys are there. Each smiley contains 150 students. It means 150 into 4. 5 4 20, 0 2, 4 1 4, 5 6. 600 students for swimming. Yeah, for swimming students. And for skating how much? 1 2 3 4, again 4. So here also you will get 600. So total how much? 1200 students. So for question number 3, what is the total number of students who like skating and swimming? For skating 600, for swimming 600. Total 1200 students. Now come to the last question. What is the total number of students in class 4? So now we need to see these are the students who are studying in class 4. So section wise maybe. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So we need to multiply 150 into 22. 5 2 10, 0 carry 1, 2 1 0 3. So in this way, 0 0 3, 0 0 3 3. So total how much? 3300 students. 3300 students are there in class 4. So I hope you have understood this part. Means in this chapter first we will deal with the pictograph, where you have to get the information by looking at the picture. Each picture contains some number of values, and just by counting the pictures we can find out what is the exact information they are asking or giving us. Okay, so I hope you have understood this part. Now let's go to the next question. Thank you.